Taking the holistic view of the entire matter, we have formulated few questions and we have answered them accordingly. The questions which have been formulated are whether wearing hijab, head scarf, is a part of essential religious practice in Islamic faith protected under Article 25 of the Constitution. The second question is whether prescription of school uniform is not legally permissible as being violative of petitioner's fundamental rights, inter alia guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a), that is freedom of expression, and Article 21, that is privacy of the Constitution. The third question is whether the government order dated 5/2/2022, apart from being incompetent, is issued without application of mind and further is manifestly arbitrary and therefore violates Article 14 and 15 of the Constitution. The last question is whether any case is made out in writ petition number 2146 of 2022 for issuance of a direction for initiating disciplinary inquiry against respondent number 6 to 14 and for issuance of a writ of quo warranto against respondent number 15 and 16. Our answer to first question is we are of the considered opinion that wearing of hijab by Muslim women does not form a part of essential religious practice in Islamic faith. The answer to our second question is we are of the considered opinion that the prescription of school uniform is only a reasonable restriction constitutionally permissible which the students cannot object to. The answer to third question is in view of above, we are of the considered opinion that the government has power to issue the impugned government order dated 5/2/2022 and no case is made out for its invalidation. The answer to fourth question is we are of the considered opinion that no case is made out in writ petition number 2146/2022 for issuance of a direction for initiating disciplinary inquiry against respondents 6 to 14. The prayer for issuance of writ of quo warranto against respondent number 15 and 16 is rejected, being not maintainable. Accordingly, in the above circumstances, all these writ petitions being devoid of merits are liable to be and accordingly are dismissed. In view of dismissal of these writ petitions, all the pending applications pale into significance and are accordingly disposed of.
I make one statement on behalf of all of us. We are grateful that in spite of the matter being so